how to speed up a slow iPad. So if your iPad is running slow, you can start by clearing storage and reducing background activity. So go ahead to the settings of your Apple device or your iPad, and then go ahead into General. In General, you're gonna go ahead into the iPad storage, and from here you can see the storage or the sizes of some apps and other kinds of files. Here you could go ahead and delete unused apps or large videos or files that you no longer need, since a low storage can slow everything down. Another thing you can do is to just close apps that is running in the background. So just get rid of them like so, and restart your iPad to refresh memory. Make sure your device is also updated. So you can find this in your settings again, and then go ahead to the software upgrade inside your General. You could turn on automatic updates if you'd like. So updates can often improve performance, so try doing that as well. You can also turn off background app refresh and enable reduce motion in your accessibility settings. So you can find it over here, again, accessibility, and you have your motion over here, and you can try to enable your reduced motion as well. So this could make the interface feel faster and smoother. For deeper fixes, you can check your battery condition on your iPad and system settings, since older batteries can throttle the performance. So try using low power mode or replacing the battery can also help. Also try resetting your settings to fix hidden issues without deleting data. So it's found directly here on your General again, and scroll down to the very bottom where you can find transfer or reset your iPad, and then just go ahead and press and reset, and then reset all settings. But those are a few options you have to potentially speed up a slow iPad. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.